Tired of car battery troubles? Introducing the TOPDON BT100, your ultimate car battery diagnostic tool. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a car owner, DIY mechanic, or just someone who likes to keep an eye on their vehicle's health, you've probably heard about battery testers. But today, we're going to talk about one of the most popular and reliable tools out there, the TOPDON BT100 12V car battery load tester. This compact little device can help you easily test your car battery and charging system, and it's a must-have for anyone wanting to avoid the dreaded surprise of a dead battery. So, in this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about the TOPDON BT100. TOPDON BT100 product on a table. Here's the TOPDON BT100 12V car battery load tester. As you can see, it's a handheld device with a clear, easy-to-read display and intuitive design. It's designed to quickly and accurately check the health of your car's battery, including the cranking power and charging system, ensuring your car stays reliable and trouble-free. Features of the TOPDON BT100. Alright, let's dive into the features. What makes the TOPDON BT100 stand out from other battery testers? Well, this tester is packed with everything you need to keep your battery and electrical system in top condition. Let's break it down. B-roll of tester in use with text overlay for each feature. Battery load testing. One of the standout features of the TOPDON BT100 is its ability to perform load testing. Now, this is crucial because a battery might seem fine when the car's turned off, but when you try to start your engine, the load on the battery can reveal a whole different story. The tester simulates the load and checks if your battery is up to the task. This helps you spot weak batteries that might fail under load, saving you from unexpected breakdowns. Cranking voltage test. When you start your car, your battery needs to provide a certain amount of power. The BT100 measures this cranking voltage, the voltage your battery delivers while starting the car. If the voltage drops too low during cranking, it could mean your battery is on the way out. This test helps you catch issues early before your battery completely fails. Charging system test. After your engine starts, your alternator should kick in to charge the battery. The BT100 can test the charging system to see if your alternator is working correctly. A faulty alternator can leave your battery drained, causing all sorts of electrical issues. This test helps ensure your charging system is up to snuff and keeping your battery healthy. LED display with color indicators. The tester has an LED display that's color-coded for easy reading. Green means your battery is healthy. Yellow indicates it's starting to weaken, and red is a clear sign that your battery is failing or dead. The simple color coding makes it super easy to read the results without any confusion. Wide compatibility. The TOPDON BT100 isn't just for your car battery. It's compatible with 12V lead-acid batteries, meaning it can work on a variety of vehicles like cars, trucks, motorcycles, and even marine batteries. This makes it a versatile tool if you own multiple vehicles or boats. How to use the TOPDON BT100. Now let's move on to how to actually use this thing. Don't worry, it's super simple, even if you've never used a battery tester before. If you're interested in picking one up, I've left a link in the description below. Make sure to like this video if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more automotive tips and reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.